Good morning, dear children. I welcome you all again to our online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Hope all of you have enjoyed your vacation. So, dear students, let's work together and utilize this Corona period effectively. So, today let us discuss a new chapter, chapter 11, Force and Pressure. So today we will discuss basic points related to force. Try to recall what all things you do or what all activities you do in your regular course. Now tell me, how many of you like to play games? Yes, you all like to play games like cricket, football, basketball, badminton. In cricket, you might have seen how do fielders stops a ball hits by a batsman, or how does a goalkeeper catches a ball. A hockey player changes the direction of a moving ball with a flick of stick. So in all this situation, we are applying some force. We used to apply some force. So what is force? Force is nothing but a push or pull on an object. That is known as force.
Now the two terms which are used are push and pull. What do you mean by push and pull? You could have often seen push and pull written on doors of restaurants or shops or malls. In the glass door you might have seen on one side it is written push and on the other side it is written as pull. So what do you mean by this two? Push is always about a force applied to make an object move away from oneself. Now, you can see here this boy is applying force, or you can see this boy is pushing this box in this direction. He is standing here and he wants box to move away from himself. So, yes, so this is called as, yes, it is push. But if you are applying force to make an object move and bring it closer to ourselves, that is called pull. Now here you can see that this boy is trying to pull the box towards himself. So whenever we are trying to bring something close to us, that is pull, and whenever we are trying to make something away from us, that is push. And force is nothing but different kind of action like pushing, pulling an object, lifting. Let us see some more examples. So in all this scenario, they are applying some type of force.
So today we have discussed about force and we have learned with the help of some examples what is force. Force is nothing but a push or pull on an object. So dear children, I have attached the URL video and notes. All of you please copy the notes in your notebook, and there will be a test paper. So all of you please attend the test paper and post it in time. Okay, see you in the next class. Take care. Bye.